बट मैं स्टार्ट करूँगी विथ, मैं बहुत पहले से लिख रही हूँ बट थोड़ा ठीक ठीक लिखना स्टार्ट किया, और यहाँ पे सब हिंदी में लिख रहे हैं, पर मैंने बोला जैसे मैं जेनजी हूँ तो मैं इंग्लिश में लिखती हूँ. सो मैंने टू द ऑल ग्रेट राइटर्स, मैंने उनको डेडिकेट करके एक पोएम लिखी है. तो writers to writers, I guess we were chattering with the masters. We were not to applaud their art, but to acknowledge ourselves, how to sketch the fiction with ink, how to fill colors into words, how to shade lives through the art piece, how to add flesh and bones to a life of a structure on paper. Fortunate it was, the maestros were schooling a amateur like us. While the world applauded, we were to feel gratitude for holding their hands and creating the masterpiece, for creating us an honorable fellow, for creating us as their non-fictitious fellow, a non-fictitious masterpiece. So dedicated to all those great writers, I like them so much. I would like to take their name. Firstly, my mom, she's also a poet, and after that, William Shakespeare, William Wordsworth, Khalil Gibran, and all those great writers. I'm very thankful to them that today I'm standing here because of them. This is my first, for my poetry, ये मेरा पहला टाइम है कि मैं परफॉर्म कर रही हूँ. And yes, so next poem is on fire. So I want to explain that fire is not something कि वो, it's not just an element, but वो बहुत कुछ है. वो अपने अंदर की आग है, वो किसी का ईगो है. और हम in Indian culture, we worship every element. पानी, जल, वायु, सब भी worship everyone. So poetry on that. Fire is too almighty, not just an element, calculated it by its greatness as almighty. When it burns into a person, he refuses to accommodate in luxury too. When it sprawls and ages, it burns the person outwards too. Then even feel respectful in a pot. It's great cause, its heat and sharpness, one's bluntness, for to form it like a upright sword. But when the sword stain and dress is spotfully of blood, it melt the metallic element all along. It's great cause I sheet the darkness like a mother does to her cold child, and torches the unseen patches of darkness, like a father strict to his careless child. All along, when you know to hold it, it will light you in form of innovation, love, strength, power, knowledge, and enlightenment. But if you think you are to force it, it will shut you into ashes, because fire is too almighty. It treats you as your deservings. So, next poetry, it's not emotional, I would say. I don't know कि कितनों को यहाँ पे मतलब ऐसा लगेगा कि emotional है. But I'm a 16-year-old feminist, and I thought I want to, मतलब मुझे ये perform करना था कहीं तो, and I'm very thankful कि मुझे stage मिला to perform this. So मैंने कल एक reel देखी कि whenever, मतलब it was a law about, the reel was about a law कि जब भी आप मरते हो तो it's not that you die, it's कि आपका suppose accident हुआ, you're just right there, you watch all this like it was a dream. So think about it. When a woman, I'm moving into a little hard part, but जब she will see कि her body is naked, she's been raped, and she's standing there, her soul is standing there, उसको क्या लगता होगा? ये क्या हो रहा है मेरे साथ? और मैं तो मर गई हूँ, just stop. Why are you doing this? I'm dead. But they still don't stop. And I'm not talking it just like a myth or something. ये कर्नाटका में हो चुका है. कर्नाटका में एक dead body के साथ rape हो चुका है. So all this, I am dedicated this my poetry which I'm going to perform to the Nirbhaya case, Kolkata case, all the rape cases. And here I perform. Hear how every woman feels every second. I'm sorry, I forgot I was a woman. I walked merrily through the streets, endless, empty they were. I was solitary in those pre-night hours, matching my pretty dress. But there was a sin, a mistake, that I was a woman. So I was chased by the demons which stained and ripped my dress, which feasted on me, which punished my angelic laughs, by the envious pleasure which left the iron inside me, rusting my dreams with it, digging glasses into my eyes for them to never dream, left me naked, dead, to regret an afterlife, because they punished me to forget I was a woman. Drove me to heaven, because my goodness, purity, existence was my sin. Safe I feel, I would say, because they saved me from more worse, which would be served for another angel. Janvi.